Getting out of bed ain't easy when you're this rough. Bun the spliff up, emerge from the smoke of recrudescency. No job and I'm up at 10:30 on a Wednesday. I really should pull my weight and captivate the day ahead, or I could just eradicate and stay in bed. Hit the bong and lay in a meditated state, in a medicated way, in a designated place. Today I could receive a rain check, so I can get my brain check. Coffee stains on my bedside table like crop circles. I've got troubles like getting up and not stumble. Dial thermometers in the gaff to keep the air right. Weed and meditation both help the mind take flight while my body stays bedbound. Well now, that's a little insight on how my morning stretched out. Tell my alarm clock to get the fuck, cause I can't really be arsed getting up, apart from rolling out my bed to grab my puff. Grinding it, skinning it, sparking it up. Tell my alarm clock to get the fuck, cause I can't really be arsed getting up, apart from rolling out my bed to grab my puff. Grinding it, skinning it, sparking it up. When I wake up on the one day a year I can get a lie in, I set up 5 skins before I've even left my kipper. Cause on this one day I don't need to get the picture. I need a heavy spliff, the type that seems it's ending never. I'll get so rubbered I don't want to talk sense. Just drink 20 cups of tea and watch a box set until I'm ready for 7 brekkies on one plate. Bloated to fuck, can't leave the gaff in that state. I waste the day away, wasted till the day's changed to night, and trying to sober up the now would be some crazy shite. Can't deny I blaze it right, cause since I stopped taking pipes I've changed smoke spliffs to maintain the hazy life. Everybody loves a wake and bake, and if you've little nothing else to do then that's all gravy steak. Roll your doobies till your head's as light as paper plates, with no regard to whether or not you can stay awake. Tell my alarm clock to get the fuck, cause I can't really be arsed getting up, apart from rolling out my bed to grab my puff. Grinding it, skinning it, sparking it up. Tell my alarm clock to get the fuck, cause I can't really be arsed getting up, apart from rolling out my bed to grab my puff. Grinding it, skinning it, sparking it up. Tell my alarm clock to get the fuck, cause I can't really be arsed getting up, apart from rolling out my bed to grab my puff. Grinding it, skinning it, sparking it up. Tell my alarm clock to get the fuck, cause I can't really be arsed getting up, apart from rolling out my bed to grab my puff. Grinding it, skinning it, sparking it up.